Let's start. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all doing well. And today is our topic, um, the role of to giving back. How to donate a car in California, remarking a journey of the generosity, goodwill. As we discuss how to donate a car in California, either looking at to make a position impact of your community, simplify in your life, or just curious about the process. This video will guide you through the process of donating a car in the global state. Let's start. So the power of car donation. The car donation is a fascinating way to support charitable causes and make a difference in the life of those in need. Your old vehicle can be valuable sources for non-profit and charitable organization. How to donate a car in California? Let me break down the step to donate a car. California choose a charity being by selecting a reputable charity or a non-profitable organization that accept the donation. Ensure they are tax exempt organization. Assess your car. Evaluate your car condition. Most organizations accept but more running and non-running vehicles. Contact charity. Get in touch with your chosen charity and inform them of your intent and to donate your car. They will guide you through the process. Prepare the necessary documents. Gather all the relevant documents such as the car title, registration and maintenance letter. Record schedule the pickup. Many charities offer by many charities offer free pickup services for donate vehicles. Schedule a continent time for them to collect your cars. Receive a donation received. After the donation is complete, you will receive a donation receipt. Keep this receipt for tax purpose. Tax benefit of car donation in California. A car in California can also bring you some significant tax benefit. Tax deduction depending on the value of your car, you may be eligible for a tax reduction for the fair market value to donate vehicle. Lower tax liability. The deduction can potentially lower your overall tax liability, saving your money come tax season. Choosing the right charity. When selecting a charity for your car donation, consider the causes of a mission that resonates with you, the charity reputation, and how they utilize car to support their program. In conclusion, donating a car in California is a meaningful way to support a charitable causes, simplify your life, and enjoy potential tax benefit. Is a win-win scenario that allow you to give back to your community while also reaping some financial regarding. If you find this video helpful, subscribe my channel.